Good morning, good morning, good morning. Yo, what up, Nighthawk? Ready to cook? I am. I am ready. You got one? You got one? Yo, what up, Code? You wait, yo, when is CPI? When is CPI coming? I don't have any accounts that are bad, is the problem. I had to get I had to get 2 new Apex accounts. Did I get 3? Oh, maybe I got 3. I just did trailing, by the way. Ah, well, yo, next week, fire it up. Fuck yeah. Replicanto. All right, we're gonna make we are. Let's see what happens here. I just want to make sure this is working. All right, good. It's working. We going down? I don't know. If I knew, we would all be in. This is a straight up gamble. I'm gonna play 2 accounts just so I have 1 eval for later on. What up, Chris? So I'm gonna play 2 accounts just so I got an eval later to play around with. Um, yo, what up, Matt? Yo, we got almost 3 minutes. You got $64. I'll be honest with you. You could do it. You could definitely do it. I'm just looking. I'm patiently waiting here. Um Yeah, I mean sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do, you know? Been there. I think it's gonna go up, personally. So I did trailing accounts because listen, if you don't pass on the trail, you're not gonna pass on the end of the day. So I've saved myself $20 on the PA fee and I'm saving myself $30 an account. How many points do I want to go for? Yeah, I think you can only do 6 contracts now, right? Yo, I know. I usually do 7 or 8. Kind of sucks. I don't know what's gonna happen. Now I have to go for more points. I don't like that much. I'm not a huge fan. Usually I can go for less points. I think it's gonna go up. I don't even know what happened. Bro, I literally got tagged in by the wick.
Order filled.
Yo. Yo, they literally wicked me
Order
in.
filled. Order filled.
Ugh. Dude, that's crazy. I literally got tagged in at... Dude, watch this. You want to see? Bro. Failed. Dude. I literally got... Yo, how do I bring up my orders? Bro. I literally got top ticked. I don't think that's ever happened. I wish I'm trying to bring up my orders. Let's see what my orders look like. Yo, my fill price is $8.25. Dude, I was literally the top. $8.25. Oh, it went up. It went up 2 ticks higher. What the fuck? Yo, I don't get filled there, it passes. Yo, that's wild. Well, that's why I tell you it's always a gamble. Bro, that's crazy. You got bottom ticked? How'd you get bottom ticked? It traveled over 100 points. Bro. That was crazy. All right, back to legit trading. Dude, that's fucking crazy. See, gold always looks clean. The fills on gold are awful, by the way. Just an FYI. No, I mean I had a buy. Oh, you had a buy at the bottom? Oh, yeah. Same here, man. Dude. You passed one but failed one? Yo, I don't even know how'd you do that. I'm curious about. What up, Kevin? How'd you pass one and fail one? Dude, I mean, that's freaking awesome, Matt. That's what I did. I got top ticked. I got ticked in a buy at the very top. I was literally 2 ticks from the very top. I've had weird shit happen when I copy traded. Last time we had news, I passed one and blew one. And I had no idea what happened. It's definitely slippage. That's what I tell people. Even if you're right, you could still freaking lose. You know what I'm saying? Like, you could still lose just based on the software, but based on slippage. 1,000%. Thousand percent. That's why you usually use accounts that are shitty already. For the most part, I do. I just don't have any shitty accounts. Time to lock in some fucking payouts here. Nah, Matt. I wait to hear it for the first time like everyone else. Yo, I'm playing CPI, 1,000%. The news usually works for me like 70, 80%. It's probably like 70, somewhere in the 70s, it works. I'm okay with 70% pass rate on something that takes 2 seconds. No, I use trailing drawdown Apex accounts. I don't ever risk a lot. Like, I usually use it to I usually use it for accounts that are doing bad. Did your TP? Yeah, I mean that's just because it just didn't sell out. I think it's going lower. Looks like it's just fucking dead cat bounce. Dude, this would be risky. This would be risky.
Order filled.
I'll grab 2 micros. Even though the one that failed in the 50K shows... Oh, that means the drawdown got hit at some point. It's a drawdown account, right? It's a trailing drawdown. If that would have been an end of day account, you would be fine. It's because it's a trailing drawdown account. I trust this minimally. This is just, hey, if it flushes out, I got it. If it doesn't, I get stopped out. I don't care. I won't move my order. I'll just leave it. If I stay in, I stay in. If I don't stay in, I don't stay in. It's fine. Morning, Jim. Having my coffee. Should have just freaking... I just don't trust this shit, to be 100% honest with you. I mean, people passed. If I didn't get wicked in, I would have passed. I literally I got put in at the top. I got put in at the very, very top. Other than that, I would have passed. So, listen, I'm not worried. That's why you use accounts that you don't, you know. I wouldn't be using freaking $100 accounts personally. We're at previous day low right now, which is interesting. Wait, why does this show you nothing? There you go. Previous day low. Hear you a good one. I logged into my Apex 50K PA account is up over 2,000 on a trade. Had an ATM trade I put in, but something happened. Why couldn't that be a TPT account? Yo! Well, nah, you would have fucking blown the account. You can't trade news with TPT. Can't trade news with TPT. Yo, TJ, it looks like a cleaner move. Wait until you try to play it. The fills are horrendous, dude. The fill is horrendous. It's so bad. The fill is horrendous. So I can look at the chat, I just brought it up over here. Yeah, the fills are awful, dude. Don't even... Yeah, you can't trade funded TPT on news. I think you could trade Tradeify on news. Technically speaking, you could trade Apex on news unless they just changed it. Yo, what up, Cube? How was it? I lost $60. I blew 3 trailing Apex accounts. Yo, I got top tick though. Literally, I got in 2 ticks before the top. Otherwise, I would have passed them both. Yeah, evals. Tradeify has 10-second micro scalping policy. Yeah, it's just like, oh, it's 50% of your account, right? Of your gauge. Trivif? What the fuck is that? What's that, Fred? Is that like Thrive and Thrive-ify? Bro, Thrive-ify? This thing looks like it's going to previous week low. Yo, that's what I'm saying. So my long bracket was literally at 908.25. 908.25. I got top ticked. I've never gotten top ticked ever. I've blown it because it's got me in and gone up a little bit and come back, but I've never been like just a tip. That shit doesn't happen. That was crazy. I just had to hold this freaking trade. I'd be up. Jeez. Should have just held. I normally don't even have it that close. Like, I should have done it. Yo, what's wild is MNQ didn't even go over 900. That's interesting. Maybe I do MNQ with like 60 contracts next time. I'm on gold on this thing. Gold only, baby. This market's just absolutely throwing up on itself. Just down a casual 200 points. Yo, Cube, you think we come back and hit the news wick? Take out previous week low, come back and hit the news wick? That'd be wild. Oh, man. I got my Apex approved yesterday. Yo, that's awesome. Yo, I'm still waiting for freaking payouts, dude. What up, Nathan? Yo, I'm still waiting for my payouts from February, bro. Let me see if they got approved last night. Send me my money. Yo, they're still pending. I got 2 max payouts with them. Just pending. Yo, you know what's weird? Yo, check this out. Let me see. I'm going to see if I have a screenshot of it. Dude, did they change my request date? No way. No fucking way did they change my request date. Let me see. Yo. You guys want to see something crazy? What's that say? You guys ready for it? Yo, they changed the date on this one to request it on March 2nd. Has that ever happened to you? Yo, this one changed the date. They changed both dates. This date, this one went one date up, and then this one went a couple days up. Yo, Cube, what causes that? Nah, they're paying. They pay. I'm just curious what that is. Yo, that literally swept previous day low, previous week low. I might take a gamble here, to be honest. Oh, you think it's an error on their part? Yeah, I'm still pending. Yes, that is correct. Do I think I'm going to get paid out? Yes. I believe I'm going to be paid out. I'm at max payout. There's nothing that they could really say about it. Like, I had the MAE violation. I made the max payout. Like, I followed all the rules that they wanted me to do. There's nothing more to do. I think they're behind because they were redoing their site, like the dashboard and everything, and I just think that they're just behind. They asked me why. They asked me about my strategy, and I just told them I follow Brian Stink, and I just turn and burn accounts because I mastered gold and silver, and then they gave me the approval. They gave me a thumbs up. They gave me the dog karma Jesus with the thumbs up. Nah, they'll approve me. I did everything I needed to do. So, yo, I told them I'm the master of gold and silver. Yo, hopefully you're up, man. This never got over the 9, so I didn't take it. Oh, man. Yo, morning, Tris. Yo, Trump worried about Israel and we losing jobs? I don't know. Yo, Fred. Bro, that shit was so eye-opening on how he was presenting himself to the public and lying to everybody. That shit was wild. Oh, man. What the fuck did I just do on my other screen? Oh, my God. Oh, I know what just happened. Alright, hold on one second, guys. I gotta put my, I gotta redo the settings for this shiznick. Yo, TJ! I'm with you, man. I was right there, brother. It's so ridiculous. Most ridiculous thing I've seen. I'm just filling out the I have to update this fucking indicator every time I move it to another screen. Oh, 3, 4, 96. Bro, this is like, I'll tell you what. I got my gold orders I'm just waiting on. Gold! Oh, is it gonna get me or what? Come on. Come on. What up, Jip? Yo, get the fuck out of here. Did that just happen? No way. Did I just miss getting 3? That's $100 right there by one tick.
Order filled. Order filled.
Yo, I'm kind of pissed. Like, I'm kind of pissed because I would have made $100 and now I would have reloaded. You know what I'm saying? Like, I would have made $100 on the bounce and then I would have reloaded. That's kind of fucked. That's so fucking fucked.
Order filled. Order filled.
Yo, what up, helpful? I literally this whole trade would have been different because I would have made a quick 100 and then I would have got in 3. That's a fucking swing and a half.
Order filled.
All because of one fucking tick. One tick. I just missed getting filled by a tick. So absurd. That one tick cost me $300. That's it for gold after this. I almost added another 3, but I did not. Fucking push, man.
Order filled. Order filled.
Oh, are you fucking kidding me?
Order filled.
Keep fucking going, man. Ooh, ooh, kid, keep going. Come on. Get up to 8. Get up to 8. 8. Hit 8. Yo, anybody fucking in this thing with me? Anyone in fucking gold with me? Smash the confetti! Yo, I know it didn't look great right away. But we worked out of it and we're fucking up. Wow. Man, I wish I held some more of these. Shit. Isn't that one big, huge, brilliant deal? What? Wait, I haven't traded gold in forever. I love gold! Yo, I'm trying to hold longer now, BK. My funded futures allows you to trade 2 micros on gold. That's why if you're gonna trade gold, go get yourself a take profit trader account or Lucid or Tradeify. Those are 3 places that you would trade gold at. Just an FYI. Yo, I'm out on top. I'm out on Flopstep. Yo, the Epstein files? The one thing I will say about the Epstein files, listen, obviously what they were doing is super wrong, right? But if you're out one night and your friend introduces you to somebody, this is how it goes. He's like, yo, why don't you come hang out on my private island and we'll fucking party? Yo, I bet you everyone in this chat fucking goes. Now when you get there and you're like, fuck, what the hell is going on here? And Stephen Hawking is there with like 3 chicks. And you're like looking at him just sitting there hitting his like computer being like, oh yeah, you know, fucking, you know, I imagine you're like, yo, I need to get out of here. But you definitely fly there and see what's up. Guaranteed, everybody in here fucking goes. You know? Yo. TJ. Yo. Don't tell me you wouldn't have jumped on a private plane to go to a private island to go to a private party. Yo, if you go more than once, that's on you. I give anyone a pass that went once and was like, yo, like, tells his boys, he's like, bro, don't ever fucking go to that thing. Like, you know, it's like a bad strip club. Yo, we're out on that place. But, yeah, you could trade gold with Lucid. But, you definitely go once. If you went fucking twice or 5 fucking times, bro, there's something wrong with you. Gotta trade oil? Yo, Happy, you trading oil. Not gonna lie, I am in for sure. I mean, you gotta go once. Probably you get sucked in to go once. Yo, hold on one second. Somebody's at my door. Bro, I'm in the middle of my Epstein rant and somebody knocks on my door. Jeez. Yo, if you don't like Musk and send those desperate ass emails asking when the next party is, you might be in some Yo, is that what he did? Let's be real. Musk is a little off, obviously. Bro, Musk is trying to repopulate the world himself. Oh, man. The FBI? No. No. I forgot this person was coming. But they're here now. Bro, yo, if you were a billionaire, if you were worth 200 and something billion and didn't care, you wouldn't be slinging around with every hot chick you see. Let's be real. You'd be like, yeah, I'm going to do this. Yo, we're going to do this. Let's be real. Yo, what oil are you buying? Are you buying Diddy oil? Yo, man. So I finally got NinjaTrader to work. It's really a program. People only use it for its functionality. Everything else about it sucks. But the functionality is pretty good. Yo, what does one contract get me here? How much am I going to regret buying one contract? Do you buy one contract? What are we doing here? Well, you can make strategies and shit like that. Bro, I should have just bought. If I start making oil, do I play the Busta Rhymes song Arab Money? Have you guys ever heard that song? Fucking Busta Rhymes. Do I play that while I'm trading crude oil? I am just asking for a friend. Most Def. Yo, Nate, you know that song. Bro, tell me you guys haven't heard that song. Hold on. I'm going to get fucking in trouble for this. Have you ever heard the song? Do I trade Padilla? I've traded Padilla in the past.
It's like
I've traded Padilla in the past. I just had an account with them like yo, you got to play the part. Yo, you got to play the part in the beginning when he's doing the fucking Arab voice. Bro, Busta Rhymes is wild. Oh, here it is. Yo. Yo. If you have never heard it. What up, Prism Lens? Yo, I got to plug my thing in. Oh, no. I got volume. Yo, Sean, you alive? Oh, you weren't saying anything. Yo, yo, just wondering because they have a 200 off direct to funded. Oh yeah.
Playing some Arab music this morning.
Dude, Busta Rhymes, baby. You ever heard that? Well, they were talking about I should play crude oil. So I said, listen,
Buster Rhymes.
if you're gonna play crude oil, you might as well play Buster Rhymes. Dude, I'm going. Let me see this freaking thing.
Are you actually going to play some crude oil?
I wish I did 2 seconds ago. Oh no, holy shit. I probably would have wiped my account out on that. I had this little pop. I don't know what it's going to be. What's a tick in crude oil?
Oh, fuck. I have no idea.
Play that while you're trading oil for sure. Really grinds my gears. What is a tick in crude oil? Oh, it's $10 per penny. So 10 cents is $100. So these are like $200 fucking candles.
Order filled.
Holy shit, bro. Yo. The ATM didn't pop up though. Wait, I just realized I played crude oil in a fucking Apex account, bro. Can I trade gold? Dude, I might trade fucking crude oil. What's the micros? MCL? MCLJ? Yo, what are you trading right now? Oh,
What am I trading?
yeah.
In Q?
Order filled.
Why doesn't it show me my lines? Like, by the way, this was, yo. Why doesn't it show me my fucking lines here? Oh, here we go. Show trade lines, show order lines, show fills. I don't even know what this SMA is, so we're going to delete that. Yo, I'll trade freaking oil. You want me to trade oil all day?
Bro, is non-farm just terrible?
I literally just got ticked, and then it just came down. Props will soon ban oil also. That's fine. After I make my bag or my oil barrel. Once I make a barrel. How do these fibs work here? Yo, how do I edit the fib on here to show me? How do you edit the fib to show me the 786 on here? Anybody actually know?
On what?
I just did the fib on here. And I was just kind of curious. It's missing. What up, Rubber? It's missing the 786, and I can't edit it. Click the fib. Oh, shit. Oh, we're going to do this one. 0.78. The fuck is that? Yo, oh. I'm just kind of curious on if it. I'm kind of curious if it follows the. So weird how you got to draw it though, bro. I just saved it. It didn't save for me. I got to do this every time.
Yeah, I don't do fibs on Tradeify.
Yo, I have to do this every time though, and just keep moving it with me.
You should be able to save it.
I thought I did. It said save. Look, it's saved.
Let me see.
Oh, save as default.
Yeah.
Oh, shit. Hell yeah. Oh, man. All right, we're about to make oil money. Bro, I'll trade fucking everything today. Tell you what, man. Probably get a good size balance. I'm just looking at some of this shit. Yo, fucking landman. Yo, congratulations. We have an oil company.
Yo, I hear a wild Marie.
What up?
Good morning.
Good morning.
Did you take that gold trade this morning after news?
I just did it in Sim. I don't
Ah.
do it, but it smashed.
Yeah, I definitely took on a little water on the boat, but you know.
Did you win any?
Yeah.
All right.
I held pretty long. I held 3 contracts for $624 to make my money back.
Oh, that's
Damn.
But yeah, if you want to trade gold, I would go take Profit Trader or Lucid. What up, Donna? Yeah, I'll trade. Yo. Dude, am I going to do this? Might as well, right? What the fuck?
Send it.
I need to get the timestamp. Hold on one second. Dude.
I should get going.
Yo, every time I hit a fucking CL trade, you don't even want to know.
You doing oil today?
Mine's well, right?
Yeah.
I'm trying to do it in Apex
Ooh, it's up
because
8%.
it'll be better than
Wow. I'm just looking at the numbers. I hadn't even looked.
you know what I'm saying? It will be better. I think it'll be better than NQ.
Mm-hmm.
Um,
They didn't restrict us, did they? On
No.
oil? Did they? No.
I'm just kind of curious how they play out, you know. More of a it's going to be more of a test,
Mm-hmm.
but I'm definitely going to play it. If I can get oil to work over NQ, Makes Apex a lot more appealing to me.
Yeah.
I'll let you know. I'll blow my account for you.
I haven't traded oil in a long time.
I don't think I used to trade HO, which was home heating oil, and me and my boy would get in.
Is it really? It's HO?
Yeah, and we
That's
would be
funny.
like, we'd be doing the hacksaw Jim dogging on the phone. We'd be like, ho! And then we'd go, we'd just go back and forth. Oh, we were always trading it at night. The spreads were awful. I didn't really understand it. Like we were just kind of fucking. That's why I blew so many Apex accounts early on. And then obviously everything we said was like, this hoe's treating us bad.
Yeah.
What up, Camp? Yeah. It was. Listen, we had fun.
Order filled.
Ooh, I'm looking for a entry on the 4-hour.
Oh, I'm just playing around with this. I don't really know the sizing that I need, to be honest with you. Oh, I definitely got in early. I thought I got in up here. I'm not adding. I mean, I'm down $26. I'm not. It's not really a thing.
Order filled.
Yeah, I'm just. So like that's $50, but like that's a pretty sizable move. I feel like. I'm not a big fan of shorting though, so I mean, I don't know if I would short oil. I was just kind of playing around a little bit, seeing what happens. I'm just playing. I'm just don't even disregard this XRP. I was just trying to do something pre-market, and I was just I'm figuring out the sizing more than anything. All seriousness, I might take this long. By the way. I might take this long. I'm just, oh man, the market's going to open like now. I might take 2 micros and just sit on it if we can get.
Yeah.
I liked it long over here, and it hasn't dropped any further. So I'm just kind of like, I'm just watching it.
I like it long, but if you look at the 4-hour, it might come down further.
Yeah, they're gonna do something. I heard. Nah, hold on one second. I got somebody at my house. Hold on one second.
Knob, are you trading on Ninja Trader?
You good? Did I miss the open? Oh my god.
Is Sean here and I can't hear him?
Maybe. Hold on one second. He's on mute.
Oh, okay.
Oh, yeah. Hello? What's up? Hello? All right. I don't exactly know what just fucking happened. I don't know what happened. I think I lost. Yeah. All right, time to make the money back. Oh.
Order filled.
I'm just going to hold 2 micros. I feel like this is yesterday for whatever reason.
Yeah.
I should have bought it when I said I was going to buy it. I'd be up fucking 10 points. No. Awesome. My Fridays are fucking... I'm removing this. Gold hasn't gone anywhere. I think Sean has himself on mute, by the way. Dude, they just bottom ticked me. Are you fucking kidding me? Oh my god.
How does that keep happening to you?
I don't know.
Look at that. That's amazing.
That was 40 points. It bounced. It happened earlier also. I got freaking... If it doesn't go lower than that...
Do you think it's the extra volatility?
I don't know. I don't know. It's happened. It's even with gold. I missed this morning. I missed by a tick, and it caused me to not flip for $100 gain. And then when it came back through, that order was still there, obviously, because it didn't get filled. And then I like took money. I lost on it. Like it was a $300 difference on gold. Like I should be up $300 more. Instead of a $100 gain, I lost 200 on those contracts.
Man, I just missed the bid, and I was staring right at it, and somehow I still took it.
On what?
On
Gold?
NQ.
Oh, NQ.
Just a little one.
I'm still testing this out. We're gonna just see what happens here. I think 4 micros is like a decent size. I'm not exactly sure. Look at that bullshit, though. That's literally, I got bottom ticked. Motherfucker, I'd be up right now. I'd be up 20 points. Instead, I lost fucking... I think we're going to see the data wick. How's that sound?
Yeah.
That's at almost 900.
Oh wow.
I don't know. Just kind of feels it. You know how many times it doesn't look like it looks like, oh, today's it's just going to be down. And then all of a sudden we go all the way back up to the wick.
Order filled.
I don't know. It just feels that way. I mean, we're down a lot.
Order filled.
Where the fuck's my cells at? No, I got...
Order filled.
I'm just fucking exiting. I don't even know what happened, actually. This one got in and out at the same fucking price. I don't even know. How did that happen? I'm going to go rewatch that. Oh my god, look at gold.
Order filled.
Oh, I'm not even in gold. What the fuck?
Order filled.
I meant to buy... Oh my god. I was in Take Profit Trader buying MNQ.
Order filled.
Oh, I just fucking... Bro, that's too many... Doing too much shit at once. That sucks. I literally looked at gold, flicked, was on MNQ for some reason and Take Profit Trader thinking I was in TPT. I was in TPT, but on MNQ. Oh my god, that was stupid. That was a nice little hit on gold, but that was fucking stupid. $90 a barrel? Yo, there's no pullback on it.
Order fucking opened.
Bro. I think this just keeps going.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Well, I can't lose money now. Dude, that was like fucking... Gold dropping. I'd play it at 91. I'm only gonna play one contract, one buy though. Oh, it's bouncing right off of 94. Come on. Come down. The one time I don't fucking play both. Just looks like it's going to break this and grab it. What up, Ray?
Hey, Ray.
Yo, is it crazy that barrels of oil are moving by $1 at a clip? I feel like that's a lot.
Dude, that's so much.
Yeah, I was gonna say like oil sits around a certain range forever. Like
Order filled.
come on.
Oh,
I know nothing about crude, by the way.
it's another one. What the heck? I am not paying attention or something.
Order filled. Order filled.
Darn it.
Why is my screen fucking flickering? We're testing an inversion right here, by the way. Are you playing this to the up?
I was thinking about it.
Yeah,
Order filled.
for a longie. I'm gonna sell out 2 here, and then I'll just let it fucking.
Order filled.
I went to break even in the other and just let it go.
I got out for 10 points because I don't trust it.
I think I got stopped. I got stopped break even on the other half. All right, here's gonna be my first test on fucking oil. The first real test.
All right, I gotta fucking watch this. May the odds be in your favor.
Got to be in it to win it, bro. Oil just dropped $1.50. Come on, broski. We're right there. This is my first, we'll call it real play of oil, like my actual strategy on oil.
Order filled. Order filled.
Oh shit.
I guess back to the 50 line, right? I'm trying to figure out how much size I need to really play with this. I would probably add 4 micros at each level instead of 2. Because I think this is only going to be like, well, $30. I'm more proof of concept at this point, right?
Yeah, for some reason I expected a bigger number.
Yeah. I think I got to do
What a fucking letdown.
4 micros. Could be worse. Like we play in 1 micro.
Bro.
Come on. Gold looks shitty. I just want a proof of concept that's kind of like, yo, it works on oil, you know. That's where I'm looking at. Come on, baby. NQ is trash today? Oh, come on, just push it. Oh. You're right there.
Order filled.
Yo. Yo. Boom. Yo, what up, Ray? Yo. What up, TJ? Yo, look at fucking NQ, bro. I think it's gonna go, though. Is it weird that I think it goes?
Order filled.
Bro, it's super weird. Why does it keep wicking all over the place like this? I'm looking at other things that I like we're holding the previous week low. Right here is the previous week low, and we've been holding it, so that's kind of what I was just basing this off of. But it's going to give it up. Oh, fuck, man. Just trading in the barcode? Bro, it's just back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. I still think this is the bottom.
That's awesome.
Yeah, I decided, fuck it.
Bucket?
Yeah. Oh, you can hear me.
I could hear you now.
All right.
I don't know what it is. I just updated Streamlabs yesterday.
Uh-huh. Oh, yeah, I don't see you cycling there today.
You don't even want to know what the bullshit I've gone through for Marie.
Oh, no.
I had to update that. I then updated like drivers or something. Then I had to it was just a massive and then like I don't know if it's gonna work. You know, I don't know. We're just on here. You
And
know.
that made a perfect bounce off the 786.
What's up, Pam? I wonder if I'm gonna get a copyright claim for playing Busta Rhymes A-Rab Money on here.
Nah.
No.
It was just the Arab version.
They're just gonna let it slide because it wasn't Busta.
Yeah.
They're like,
Exactly.
it wasn't Busta. We'll let it. You guys are good. You guys are good. Yo, my alarm keeps beeping. Hold on one second. Oh, man, my ankle.
InQ doesn't know what it wants to do.
I mean, it looks like it wants to go up, but I do have that entry down, way down. So
God.
I'm looking at 545. What were you saying you were looking at?
Like 544, 545.
I like the NQ to the upside. I like it a lot to the upside.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Man.
That was a nice move.
Yeah, I freaking... So... Yo, helpful. You know what I got up right now? I got the divergence thing that you sent me up. And I've been looking at it. Bam, at max profit. And if you look, it was fucking prime for a pop. Yeah, so I used to use this, but I didn't like the indicator and I couldn't find one I liked. And but I don't play it on the 1. I have it on the 3. I'll show everybody. So I was just watching this. And you can see how we're coming back up. And it just felt like we were changing direction. And, you know. But I have it up. I'm watching it. I mean, it doesn't look like much, but we just popped 50 points. Damn, I should have left my gold fucking order in there. I would have got the bottom. Oh no, I would have missed it by a tick. I think I was in at 91.7. Yo, imagine the whole time we're listening to Marie, she's packing dime bags.
Dude. Fucking 8 balls.
Yeah. What was it called? Blue Magic? From
I'd have a
fucking...
lot more money.
What's up?
I'd have a lot more money if that's what I was doing.
Dude, that was the Frank Lucas one. I think Blue Magic from the movie American Gangster.
Yep. That's a good movie.
Yeah, great movie. I mean, it's based on somebody that's real, but there's controversy like of some of like the facts early on, like if he really drove for that guy and things like that. But obviously, Frank Lucas was a real person. Can't decide if I should go for another Lucid Pro or Flex account. All you care about is getting the first payout. I don't care how much it is. The easiest one to get a payout in is the Flex because it's only 5 days of $150. You don't have to hit a profit target or anything like that. You know, I think the Pro, you need to hit a buffer and everything else, while you do not in the other one. You'll make more on a payout in Pro, but harder. So I would just go Flex, and it's cheaper. Bro, this is some serious chop. I'm also big on cheaper, not 25K accounts, but cheaper accounts. I don't like paying up for certain rules to be like, I don't know. It would have, if I'm paying up, might as well buy, like if you're gonna pay up and buy a Pro account, you might as well buy a Take Profit Trader account. I think the Pro accounts are like 126. Something crazy. I'd rather buy two flexes or TPT and save money.
I've been holding this short with 4 micros.
Order filled. Order filled.
Oh,
Order filled.
it's hitting my tan line. I had to take a bounce off
Order
the tan
filled.
line. If you guys look, that's why I took it. So basically, you got this, and that's approximately a fib bounce. I wasn't gonna look at it, but
I think it was.
yeah, I mean, bounce
Is it
20
funny how you
points.
start seeing them without the indicator?
Yeah, yeah. So, you know, I just saw two things, so that was definitely something I would take. But even this little move, that was 20 points. Which is crazy. If I played 1 minute, it's $400.
It's because the candles are freaking huge.
I know. It doesn't look it though. Yeah, so gold went for it. Look at fucking gold, bro. It literally hit the fucking pocket and bezounced. Just went. See, I don't like shorting gold. That's why may the odds forever be in your favor if you are. I'll play this. I'll play a fucking bounce back. Yo, how's everybody doing this morning? Yo, Apex changed the dates on my request. Cube thinks it's just an error, but the dates have Yeah, I'll show you. I'll show you guys.
It's not sketch at all.
I don't know if it's a new dashboard or what, but like here's my original request dates. Look, 27, 26, $2,000, right? And you can see the accounts. And now you can see the request for the bottom one went to the 27th, which was a date later, and the 27th went to March 2nd.
Weird.
Super weird, right? I don't know why. News in 30 seconds. News.
What do we have?
I don't know. TJ said news in 30 seconds. So, what's up, Solomon? I don't know. I'm not in anything.
Another 150. Ooh, this might come to my original.
Well, it's a big candle.
That is a huge candle.
Dude, we're right at previous. What are we at? Previous day low. Dude, that was a massive 89. Bro, it was almost, there's 90 points. Bro, you and me both, Nate. You and me both. I wasn't going to play the news, though. I mean, it's definitely moving today. I still like the upside.
Order filled. Order filled.
I'm just trying to scalp. Holy shit, I didn't. I think it's going to go. I think I got stopped out at the bottom. I think I got stopped out at the bottom again. I don't. Sorry about that. We're freaking cleaning out our freaking. We got rid of most of the shit in the building, and then there's like miscellaneous like inventory and crap that you just can't sell. So we're just gonna send it to somebody to just auction off the rest of it.
Oh, did you actually sell the building?
I mean, I close in 19 days. And then I got 45 days to find other properties, and then like 4.5 months from that 45 end of 45 days to close on those. So I'm gonna be fucking busy. I got to go down to Florida twice in the next 6 weeks. So I'm gonna, like, next Friday. I don't think I'm streaming. I got to go to Florida. I think either Thursday night or Friday morning. What up, Schulster? I need a flip day for I need a flip day. I'm going to buy one micro and just let it freaking move around, I think, on gold. Come on. Damn, NQ just freaking gave it back. Boom. I just hit. There we go. There we go. You long? You in anything?
Not yet. I'm actually looking at YM right now.
Damn, dude. Look at see how it literally came wick down 786 and then literally just fucking bounced.
Crazy, isn't it?
Dude.
Wow.
Alright. I'm just gonna play it. Who gives a shit? I'm just looking. I'd love to see this fucking retracement. Oh, I hate that it's backwards on that's what I want to see. Gold just went to the moon. MNQ is kind of flagging right here if you look at it.
Order filled.
I bet you could play within the flag.
Order filled.
Dude, the NQ has been fucking complete garbage to me today. Everything from top ticking this morning to this fucking shit. Look, I bet I just got bottom ticked again. This is what drives people to go on tilt, by the way. This is the exact
Sure.
This is the exact shit that drives people to go on tilt. Look, if this candle if it goes green right now and it goes above 39 and trades back up, that's what makes people go on tilt. All right, whatever. It traded lower. I'm fine with that now. Joe, you know what hit today? Well, would you have lost? Yeah, you would have lost.
Is that on the ES?
I was just looking at helpful's indicator. You would have lost. Well, it was pre-market though. Holy shit. And then people ask why I play fucking gold all the time. Yeah, Lucid has market data code. What did you buy a Rhythmic account? Because you got to sign the paperwork. Did you buy a Rhythmic account or a regular or a Tradeify account? Dude, my kid's got some fucking play date tonight.
Sounds like fun.
Bro, it just starts at 7 p.m. He's in bed by 7 p.m.
Did that just miss me?
What, on NQ?
Yeah. No, yeah, I think it did. Dang. Why did it do that?
They're like, got her.
Right to my target. How'd you catch it, TJ?
To the tick. He must have had it like right above.
Yeah.
Right off pre. Oh, man.
Or MNQ. God damn, it went right to my thing.
Looks good to hold, too. It's,
Order filled.
Fuck me,
I was
man.
waiting that one too.
I just tried to buy at the. Let me get out of this thing. Let me just get out of this. That was a fucking
Had
mistake.
the FOMO urge.
No, I tried to click the button when it was
Order
at
filled.
33 as we were above the 9 and about to break over the orb. And I was going to get the algo candle up, but by the time I clicked the fucking button, it algoed up like a half a second. And I was like, oh. I just assumed that you were going to get that algo candle. Hold on 1 second.
Damn, that was perfect. Perfect. Look at that. And here comes my other move.
Dude, this is how you can tell you're in. Dude, this. Fuck, man, are you kidding? Bro.
Hey, it wicked through my target. Oh, there it goes. It wicked through my target at first. Like you could see the wick go through my target, and it didn't take it.
It's gonna be a slow Friday.
I can't believe that. Yo, this guy says to me, "Yo, we're gonna come by, and I'll look at everything, and we'll just auction it off, whatever. Or I'll put it on my site, whatever." I'm like, "Cool." Tells me on Wednesday, I'll be there Friday. Cool. I hit him up yesterday. Doesn't get back to me today. I called, and they called me back. He's like, "Oh yeah, I looked on the map yesterday. I can't go. It's too far." I'm like, "Well, when were you gonna fucking call me and tell me?" Oh man, gold looks like it's just gonna go up from here. I was gonna try getting an account over for payout today. I don't know, man.
Order filled.
Come on. Come on. Give daddy some dollars right here.
Order filled. Order filled.
There we go. There we go. Yo, what's good, Fiber? Edison, New Jersey? Yeah. No, that's fucking too far. You know how far? You know how long it takes to go to Edison, New Jersey from my house? Bro, I'll see you in hours. Yo, I saw a meme today, Matt. It was like I guess it was like a meme, and it was like some guy's face, and it was like, you thinking about if you faded all of your trades, you'd be a millionaire. Oh, man. I was like, like that shit is hysterical. Somebody on here said that he made all bad trades, so I told him to fade himself. And then he said I forget who it was. He said that he got an account and then faded himself and then blew it. Yo.
That's fucked up.
Yo.
Fuck logic.
Bro, he was like,
How can you really fade yourself?
he faded himself. But then I remember I was like, well, did you fade the fade? Like, did you like, oh, I think it's going to go up, but going down, but, and then just kind of went. Yo. He only hung out, the guy only was around for like a day or two. Bro, faded himself and then blew the account is hysterical. I just watched Lincoln Lawyer season finale last night.
Yeah, was it good?
It's starting to get old. starting to get old. It's based on books, so I mean, you know, there's more. You know, they're coming out with another season or whatnot, but I should have just trusted my gut when we were down low and I said we were going higher and just fucking held. I liked all the seasons except this season. I felt like the acting was not that good. This is going to go higher.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Are you fucking... Are you kidding me? I was just up fucking $200 in freaking gold. Did that not get my fucking sell? Shut the fuck up. I'm playing gold in this Bullnuts account just to get... Gold looks like it's going to just pop here, by the way. It's like got this flag going on. I typically don't play gold like this because it could just dump. So I'm not going to play it in this account. I actually just got stopped out, but I went to break even. They changed my data from Apex. Wait. Rua, what happened? I love that show. Sad the whole season was only his case. Yeah. Blue won Apex, not a Fante. Fiber Spy. They changed my date. Oh, they changed your date on Apex also? Yeah, what's the deal with that? Why?
Order filled.
Oh, if this can just break out.
Look at that flat top. Well, not anymore.
Come on. Pump it. We get over 70. We ride. We ride, people. We ride. Get over 70. They're having back end issues. I feel like they're going to put in a... maybe they'll just put in a big fucking algo candle. Come on. I want to go to break even because I kind of don't trust this, but it looks fucking pretty good. Come on. This has to be the candle. Gold. Push. There it is.
Order filled.
Boom. Boom, baby. They trying to work it out. Just tell them to fucking pay me. That's all I want. I just want to be paid. They can work everything out later on. I just want to be paid. Is it that hard? It's that easy. I want my money. You've been waiting since the 20th? Okay, I've been waiting since the 27th, I think. Man, I should have went full portsies on this. I think with the new system, payouts are going to be super fast, by the way. I don't think there's going to be an issue because it's kind of cut and dry. But yeah, definitely not a fan. The buying pressure on NQ is slowing down, by the way. Just an FYI. I'm watching it on this thing. Oh my God. Yo, how many Maries and Seans are there on this thing? I just heard Marie. Sean, you there? Or is this thing fucked? There's a lot of Sean Maries. What up for keeps? Yeah, I don't hear you. There's 3 Maries and 2 Seans. 3 Maries sounds good, but 2 Seans. I don't know when they're going to pay. Better fucking pay soon. I want my money. Tell the truth. Lucid Flex is technically still a buffer. 50% of payout makes you have to get that buffer. I mean, that's how they copied Topstep. Zayback, that's what Topstep was. Lucid basically just copied Topstep's accounts. There's no buffer, but it's who else used to do that? Oh, My Funded Futures does that too. They all got the same accounts. Well, Topstep did the $200 or $150 and you get half your money, and then Lucid did that, and now My Funded Futures does it also. It's all the same. But yeah,
Order filled.
I'm gonna take this. I just want to see. This is don't follow this. I'm just I want to see something. You got a Vanna White on your Apex banner? Yo, somebody wanted me to do 2 chicks. So I did 2 chicks. Yo, Chris, if you had $1 million, what would you do? 2 chicks. You've seen Office Space, I guess, while you're driving around. I gotta stop marketing in. Every time I market in, I get the worst fucking fills in my life. Every time I market in, I get awful fills. Oh, you just had to, yeah, you gotta sign the Tradeify thing. I'm just
Order
out.
filled.
I do think it's gonna go down though, but I'm out at even. I do think it's gonna go down though. Get it? I don't think I've ever signed something on Tradeify. I don't remember. Yo, what up? What up? What up? Today's been a weird day. Today is super weird. Hey, hey, hey! Oh, there we go. I found Sean. I can't find Marie.
Marie and I were having a side conversation.
Dude, I wanted to get in on it. I couldn't hear anything. Dude, I got to reach out to Streamlabs and be like, bro, what the fuck keeps happening here, man?
You can't find Marie?
Nah. There's 3 Maries, which sounds great, but
Just flip through all the Maries.
it's not even like letting me fucking click on. Let's see.
Bro, how many fucking cups do you have?
Bro, how many?
5?
5 cups? Well, I got water. Obviously, with electrolytes, what plants need. Coffee, bro. I got my trade day mug too, which I have not ever used.
How old are some of those coffees?
Oh, this is these 2 are yesterday. Water's yesterday too. I got to clean up those 3 cups.
Does Marie need to back out and come back in?
Try it. I don't know what your side even looks like.
I just see one Marie.
Oh.
She's muted right now.
Watch this. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna disconnect her. Hold on. Yo, I got something for you guys. Check this out. Hold on.
What do you mean, you guys?
Yo, jeez. That's how I get fucking canceled, bro. Playing the A-Rap song is fine, but that I'm gonna get canceled on.
Bro, Tropic Thunder's a good movie.
Yo, I just changed the link going forward. I just put it in the chat.
The chat. Hey, chat.
Because there's 2 Maries. And then I even go to you. It says, what do you mean, you people? Dude, Gold just had this great fucking run and then just kind of stopped.
Marie, come back. There's a new link.
I have a feeling this fucking crude shit just rips. Are you using the new link? I put it in Discord. Yeah. Yeah, new link look in Discord message. I've just figured I'd clean it.
Dude, if anyone saw that message thread.
Put a lot of butter on that popcorn. Do you also cut a hole in the bottom of the popcorn, Zabak? I just joined my own duck race. What do you mean?
Yo, flip is up.
Flip. Yo, Scotsman's in the house.
Oh, shit.
Yo,
What up, Scotsman? I played a little YM today.
yo, how's my copper doing? I'm telling everybody to start playing copper.
Bro, look at YM. Look what it did.
I did not get a chance to play with the indicator maker, man. I want to, I just didn't. Wave high. What's up, man?
YM did the same thing that we've been talking about. Made a fair value gap. Came
Oh,
in
it just
and
keeps going?
tapped it, went.
Dude, it just does that constantly. Over and over and over again. Oh, you know what I was supposed to do today? The first fair value gap.
It's my YM now.
Dude, some guy plays the first fair value gap after 9 o'clock.
I hear him right now.
And it literally hit.
You're back.
Yeah, there she
Alright.
is. Stick to your stinky NQ. Yo, Scotsman's like fucking stinky Americans. Stick to your NQ. That's what he said. Yo, this is where I'm going to play a short.
Scotsman, don't tease me with a good time.
Dude, if these candles weren't so big, we're about to hit the London low. You got order blocks right here. You got London low. Squirtsman in the house. Bro.
Classic. That's
Dell.
the name right there for him.
Fucking Dell. Dude, trading right into it. I'm going to need... Dude, I might look to buy another fucking computer, like, that's specifically for streaming. Only because I want more of these charts up, and I feel like it lags the computer. Like, it lags the stream when I do, but if I'm not on the stream, I'm fine with it. Does that make sense?
Probably.
I feel like it eats up too much CPU. Bro, this has to fucking... Not, it doesn't have to, but this would be the spot to fucking pull back.
Order filled.
Sounds like Marie's got snacks.
I did.
What you eating?
Yes.
What type of... Wait. All right, let's guess. What type of chips? All right. I think Marie has, like... She strikes me as, like, one of those salt and vinegar
Oh my
chips.
God.
That's what I think she's eating. What are you eating?
Salt and vinegar.
Boom. Do I know people?
Dude, that was an easy guess, though.
Oh,
Salt and vinegar?
I don't like salt and vinegar.
I love salt and vinegar.
Yeah. Get a computer with the Ryzen 9 9950X. Water cool it.
Wait, say 999 again?
Bro.
Water cool it.
Water cool it. Do I have to have a cooler next to me?
Was that Steven that
Order
said that?
filled.
Nah, Scotsman uses it, I think.
Ah. I know Stevens has the water cooling system, too.
Okay. Yo, you're the one typing that shit, man.
Bro, it sounded just like it. He's like 999.
Dude, I'm like, I don't even know what that is. Why would they have so many of the same digits? Why couldn't they just shrink that up a little bit? Do they have 9,950 other units? Come on. Are we not going to fucking push here? Go to Costco, get a pre-built from them. I have 64 gigs of RAM already. Somebody said I needed 120 something.
Order filled.
Yo, I'm going to let this bad boy move around a little bit if I can. Keep it going. I'm going to get stopped and then it's going to fucking dump. You got a new way? Let's hear it. I want to see it. Show me your fib.
Cove's like, you show me yours, I'll show you mine.
Show me your fib.
That wasn't that short, by the way.
Yeah, I just wish I went in bigger. Kevin, whip it out. Oh, man. I mean,
I got nothing else to trade now. I'm done for the day.
Are you really? I'm just curious.
I traded too much last night.
Ooh, you know what just popped?
What?
We got a helpful short. Where's that account I'm going to do it in? Oh, here we go. 3 micros short. $48.
I'm going to play in the sim account.
I'm going to wait for the fucking bounce, to be honest with you.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Awesome.
No bounce.
Not even a fucking lick.
I kind of started doing something similar.
What?
Here, look at his graphic.
Bro, not even a fucking lick of a bounce at the IB after dropping fucking... Oh. All right, let me see. Let me see his graphic. Where do you put it in? Oh, I see. Let me see. Yo, you motherfucker. Yo, look where I got fucking taken out at.
That's fucking wild.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Bro, tell me that's not fucked up. How much could one person take of this? Yo, that's a fucking
Order
bottom
filled.
tick if I've ever seen
Order
one.
filled. Order filled. Order filled.
This is gonna
Yo,
go.
Scotsman, that's pretty freaking clean looking.
Order filled.
I do think. Wait. Zero. I kind of like this a lot, actually.
Order filled.
I'm gonna let it move though. Do not fucking wick me out. Do not wick me out.
You know, Scotsman had some powdered sugar on his nose when he was making that.
So I don't get it. That's the 0 line, and then it goes all the way to 1.5. Oh, look at. Oh, he's using like a standard deviation.
And fibs are the cheat code.
Dude, he's using a fucking. That's kind of what he's using. It's like a standard deviation of 5.5.
Yeah. That's exactly what he's doing.
You got to remember though, you got to use that. Like you can't use that on like a. Oh my God, I'm gonna get fucking stopped out at the bottom here. Yo, everything
Cove's
I
gonna need a video.
what?
Cove's gonna need a video.
Yo, hold on. I'm gonna bring it up for every. I'm gonna so. I guess in theory, if you did this, how would I? Hold on one second. I'll fucking. So you would add this. Oh no, that went the other way. How would you get it to go the other way? Oh, I guess you can do
Negative.
yeah minus 0.5 minus 0.5. Yeah. Bro, I'm trying to do the math here. Yeah, yeah, but that's not where I'm doing it wrong on that one. So if you wanted a bounce, no, I had it right. I had it the right way, the original. Because if you're playing it, you want it the other side. So it never. So if you did this, see, like it would be like that, like this to the top, and then you're looking for the half standard deviation, and you would have bought basically at the bottom of the news for argument's sake. Like, obviously this is news, so you can't really play it, but how would you know to even wait? Yo, I'm gonna need a fucking show me on the NQ. What up, John? Polymarket currently prices the yes outcome at 38 for the. Yo, you play Polymarket, John? I do. Dude should have just fucking played his fucking thing and just shut the fuck up. I can't believe it didn't bounce. Bro, this thing's just selling the fuck through. We're so oversold. It literally has just dropped 120 points.
All right, Scotsman, I see your picture, but I have no context to it. Because I see the 1.9.8.
Dude, what time is that on? Like, is that a 5 minute? What is that? Should have held that shit, dude. So this is how you do it, like this? But now you're looking to short it at 25.59. Yeah, so you're technically looking to short it at 25.55, right? Up all the way up here is what you're looking for.
Even I'm confused now.
Yeah, I don't know what he's looking. Are you looking to take the short up top, or are you looking for a bounce? So your ultimate play would be to short it at 25,055. Dude, I didn't even realize gold is just dumping.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Zaybek's got a new conspiracy. I want to hear this.
I fucking definitely want to hear this. Wait. What's the conspiracy? Birds aren't real, guys. No. What's the conspiracy that we're looking at? Gold's going to have to come down a bit. I'm going to put my orders in anyways. I think it was, what was it, like 21, 13. I don't see it. I don't see the conspiracy in here. No. You know what sucks is I love that short. And I was in it at the top and just...
Bounced right off on an order block on the 1 minute.
Didn't realize I was muted.
Oh.
Missed my entry again by a tick.
All right. So in theory, you are looking for overshoots of 50% is what you're looking for. And in between, once it breaks the 0.2 line or 0.8, you play it the other way. Right? Yeah, I think that's what he's doing. We hear you, Marie. Oh man.
Ugh,
What? You got missed?
yeah.
Marie, just don't go on tilt.
I know, I feel it. I'm like, just get in.
Damn, NQ bought that entire move back up.
Bro, I just had a hold. Bro, that's wild.
Damn.
I was waiting for it to bounce at 34, to be honest with you. I was waiting for us to come down just a little bit more. Dude, that's wild.
Well,
Wait, what the fuck is this?
no, my mouse died.
Oh no. You got the battery laser one?
Yeah.
I got one of those, and then I got a plug-in guy.
I got another one I can use.
What do I need? $3,500 to pass this fucking Take Profit Trader account today? I'm doing the math. I'm mathing right now. Do I risk it? $3,500? Alienware Area 51 Ultra 9 285K will shred anything. Bro, that's a long name. Yo, isn't Alienware those cool computers that you get with all the all the lights and stuff? Just get a VPS. What's a VPS do for me? Bro, is Obama computers? Is that going to be like the Obama phone? Got myself a Obama phone. I wonder if those are still working. The Obama phones. Anyone get one?
There's an Obama phone?
You don't remember Obama phones, bro?
No.
Dude, he was giving out all these free phones to people. back in 2000, whatever, 2008. A Micro Center? Yeah, I got one not too far from me. Yeah, virtual. Well, I don't understand. So I log into this virtual private server. Alienware is such a sham. Oh man, there's gonna be. I feel like there's gonna be some fighting going on in this place. Alienware is ass. Dude, I don't know if I'm buying a computer. I got a $3,000 computer. It's definitely 4 years old, but the VPS is going to be in Chicago next to the exchange and always. Yeah, but when my issue is like, so what happens when I stream? I have to have my streaming stuff on this server. Scotsman, the question is Alienware Dell in a tracksuit, but is it like one of those Russian tracksuits, like the black ones with the Adidas stripes? Like the full on Russian tracksuit?
All right, I'm out of here.
Later.
Later.
Yo, $23 from passing an eval. Blown.
Oh no.
No. Yo, with gold chains too. That reminds me of that machine story, the Bert Kreischer. I am the machine. That shit was funny. If you guys never seen that fucking skit, you should watch it. He's like, fuck that bitch. This is Russia. Not 18 cents for a $1,500 payout was rough. All I had to do was trade gold on it, and I would have got it over. Big Ivan, yeah. Was he Ivan and Ivan? How's CL going? I think I have an order in, and I'm. Oh wait, hold on. We're not doing this in here. Hold on. Bro, they just missed filling me by peanuts. Probably because. Dude, CL is just going for it. It's up fucking 10% today. Should have just bought and held. Bro. Yeah, I should get like one of those like, yeah, 18 cents. Yo, did you see Take Profit Trader updating all their policies for all these people that are scamming them? If you guys haven't seen it, Take Profit Traders updating they're updating their copy trader stuff. What?
Oh no. See people blowing it for us.
You know, I'll be honest with you. The problem is You can. So, oh my God, we're gonna go into the weeds here. So I did the math. I mathed this out one time about 2 months ago that if you had friends, now I before I even get into this, I've never done this, but it was brought to my attention that somebody out there hedges. Okay, I'm not even gonna get into it, but they're out there. People follow them and whatnot. But so hedging's a thing, and whatever. But I then ran the math, and basically you could make $3,000, I think, for every 2,400 invested, and you just need the right accounts. Mm-hmm. And you basically can do it with a bunch of friends, and it's basically just going long and short, over and over in multiple accounts through multiple people. And for people that are in maybe like India where they're only making $30 a day and you can make $600 fucking dollars in a week.
Yeah.
It's appealing. It is, you just sit at home, make $600. I mean, appealing for anybody, but especially other countries. So yeah. And then what a lot of people do is they do these hedges and then they don't tell you about the hedges and then they show you the profits and then you follow them and then, all this shit. So, it's crazy if you think about it, but it's definitely a thing.
He's driving me crazy.
So they're definitely trying to put an end to it. I'm having a great gold day. I mean, I'm up in Take Profit Trader, up in Trade Day, Lucid, Tradeify. I'm down. These blue on news. Basically, this is the only account I really traded in Apex, and it's not going well. I was gonna trade these accounts to try to get a payout today. I need $600 for a payout. I don't know if I'm gonna do it. That's so crazy. Trade copiers are permitted. Compliance edition only for fucking Replicanto? I don't think TPT even cares because my main account is TPT. I'm gonna ask Replicanto, is mine a trade compliance account? How the fuck do I even know?
What is trade compliance?
I guess Replicanto has a trade compliance. How if my rep I don't know. I just asked. It doesn't matter because I have one TPT account, so it's not like I'm, you know. I don't think they're gonna hammer me for anything. Yo, hold on 1 second. I gotta go put this to somebody. Give me 2 seconds. Oh, motherfucker. It's always something. Always something.
So what all are they changing?
Basically people are using trade copiers to scam the system. So like I'm trading and like I could hook up your account to my trade and nobody would know. But I guess they're getting the information. The other thing is I guess people are trading like together. Like they're hedging each other. We're like, I'll go and take profit trader has no consistency rule, right? So basically, like, say for argument's sake, we trade and we pass the accounts, right? Like I went long, you went short, and we fucking passed, right? We then do this a couple times to get a couple funded accounts. And then once we have a couple fundeds, we basically hedge each other with like large contracts and go, get big payouts. I think that's what they're doing. Doesn't say who, but
Traders are a pain in the butt.
I'm telling you, it's definitely people on Twitter flexing. It's probably people on Twitter flexing payouts, but you don't actually see them making those trades.
Yeah.
That's like anything. Anybody showing you money made without doing it live, I personally am like, cool, man. I don't trust it. But there's too many, I've seen too much stuff coming from the options world that I don't trust any of this shit unless it's done live. But like, also like, I don't know. I'm kind of like, if you're out there and you're trying to show people things and then like the day is done, you didn't trade live, and then you're like, oh guys, I just want to let you know I made $10,000 today. It's like, well, that didn't help anybody out, bro. Like, who cares? Like, you know what I'm saying about it? Like, that's like if I just shut this off and at lunch I hit for 10 grand, you guys are gonna be like, dude, why didn't you do that on the stream? Like, that's where I'm coming at. I just feel like, oh my God, this is my wife. Yes.
Order filled.
Hello? This fucking account's done.
Order filled. Order filled.
Are you there, Marie?
Uh-huh.
Fucking my in-laws, if I could, I would just drive them and drop them off somewhere. Yo, so I'm basically managing all their money. And I've done all their bills. We set everything on auto pay, and then some guy fucking calls and like scams them, says they're like the power company. And the guy, my in-laws, sent them like their fucking banking info. So then after I spent like a day and a half setting everything up, we had to reset everything up because obviously they got their account switched, their credit card switched. And then after that, apparently, I don't even know what's going on. Like, it's just so bad. And then they went to the bank and some random guy, Donald, is on their account. I asked my wife, is it Duck? She didn't find it funny. I'm like, what do you want me to do? Like, I can't call up. I'm not on the fucking account. I'm a financial advisor? No. I'm managing bills. I'm managing bills. Actually, better than managing bills, I'm actually paying for a lot of bills out of my own pocket and covering other people's expenses. How's that sound? I got a bill to send them. But he got scammed twice. One time, the power company, he thought it was the power company, and they told him to go to CVS and get gift cards and read the gift cards off. I asked him, I was like, bro, when is the last time in the fucking 60 years you've been paying the power company that you've gone to CVS and got gift cards and sent them gift card information? How long have I been married? Oh man, over 10 years. Yeah. So dude, yeah. So they got gift cards to send to the fucking guy, and he read them all off too, which was the craziest part. Yeah, this was an overseas guy. And then another time, Marie, I got a phone call mid workday.
Order filled.
Mid workday that she said that somebody's on their way over, that they just won $2.5 million.
No.
I said, what? She's like, yeah, we won $2.5 million. And they're gonna come over, and all this shit. Like, she was excited on the phone, and I was like, "Oh," I said, "that sounds awesome." I was like, "Why don't you have this guy give me a ring when he gets there?" She's like, "No. Well, what happens is," she's like, "I got to pay the taxes on it before they can give me the money." I was like, yeah, why don't you just have the guy call me? And
They would away with that stuff. But
yeah, it's a big money.
yeah, they do, yeah.
Pay the taxes for it. Why don't you just tell him to take the taxes out of the money? You got it. Just take it out. Come send it to me. Yo, Google Play cards. Yo, You could pay them in Kohl's Cash. Somebody took my Kohl's Cash. Yeah, they can't function and they refuse to move close. It's just so crazy. Just another day. Just another day. I redid a lot of another house that they have, like a lot of it. And then they went out to the house and they're like, "Oh, our house is so nice. Like, I'm glad we did all this." And I'm like, "You guys didn't do shit. Like, what are you guys talking about?" Like, they came with their friend and they were showing them the house. I was like, "You motherfuckers." I was like, "You guys didn't do any of it."
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
I'm just
Order
trying to
filled.
get some freaking drawdown here. Bro, are you the reason I couldn't get that code at Halcyon, Chris? Oh, no, because I literally couldn't do it. I don't use Halcyon, just as you know, but I go to all these shit firms, so nobody could do that. You'd be surprised at the amount of times I reach out and like, "Oh, someone has that already." Yeah. You know what they do, Chris? Is they fucking message people on Discord or on Twitter acting as if they're me, and they give them the link and the code, and it looks fucking legit. It's a true thing that people do. Somebody did it. Somebody did it. Well, somebody did it to me. They tried to do it on me on Bullnuts, but somebody did it to I think it was Nutty on Apex. Yeah, and it took them a while to get it. Somebody tried doing it, and then what they do is they basically just message everybody, with an account that looks like him, and they like message people to fucking buy it. Like, "Yo, check this out!" Like all this stuff, like a hard sell. It's like crazy, dude. The scams that go on fucking Discord and Twitter are ridiculous. Ridiculous. I've been asked to send crypto to myself apparently fucking 38 times. I'll never ask you to send me crypto, by the way, in Discord. But I'm sure a lot of you guys got messages for it. I'm curious what the close rate is on that, actually. I think gold's just going to put in a massive red candle here. Telegram scams. Yeah, that's another one. There's so many of these scams that go on. What they do is they just find like an angle and they impersonate somebody. I saw somebody, what they do, they run a bot and they'll comment on my YouTube videos, and it's like, Oh, have you tried? I'm just wondering, Cove. Have you tried? I don't know, and it's this girl's name, and then they comment below at another account, like, "Oh, I did, and the results were awesome." And then somebody else comments and goes, "Yeah, me too. I found them on Telegram over here." And then like they do it, like they have a whole conversation, and it's just a bot that has a conversation that's hyping up this Telegram group. It's crazy. There's scams on scams on scams, guys. Don't ever send any money. I'll never ask you for money. I don't sell anything. I don't sell a course. I don't sell mentorship. I don't have anything to sell you. I don't have I should have a $5,000 course. I could get a purple Ferrari with it. But no.
A purple Ferrari.
You know how many better things you could do with that type of money, to be honest with you?
Yeah.
Like, honestly, me personally, I would not spend money on a depreciating asset such as a Ferrari. Um, yeah, I'm into like more real estate and stuff that would work for you rather than, uh,
Waste money.
yeah, like who gives a shit? I mean, I know people that have them and like cool cars. Like, my neighbor's got two McLarens. He's got two McLarens, two Ferraris. He's got a Ford GT. Um, and he literally tells me how he just every nice day, because he doesn't drive them, he just has to drive them. So he gets in the car, goes for like a 10-minute drive, and then drives home. And he just rotates it. I'm not even kidding you. Like once a month, he just rotates them, and he's
Have
just.
I get them and then you just rent them?
I mean, the GTs. It's a one of one from Ford. I think he paid like 1.7 million for it.
Oh my God.
Yeah. He's actually, I'm not going to say who he is, but he's the CEO of a publicly traded company.
Holy crap.
Yeah. He's a cool dude. He's cool. I had him over for Easter. He's a nice guy. I passed an Apex end of day 50K by accident. Oh, that's awesome, Mulatto. Just hang with the neighbor and save money. I know. When we were walking with I was walking with my kid, and he pulled up in his McLaren, and we were shooting the shit. And my kid's like, "Man, Dad, that's a car." Yeah, it was the McLaren, I think 720. I mean, listen, it's cool, but for me, like, I like my Jeep personally. Take the top off. I park it wherever I want. Don't care about it in the rain. Like, you know. Yeah, so I didn't know this, but here's something interesting. My my friend, we'll just say it's my friend. I do work with him, but he had one of those older twin turbo Ferraris, I guess, and he said he would never buy one again because of the parts are so expensive that the next car he was buying, I guess it's a McLaren, because the McLaren parts are like just GM parts, I guess. I did not know that. Or they're used on multiple cars while the Ferrari parts are just on Ferrari. I don't know. I'm not into cars really. True story. Just not into it. I like fun things. I like jet ski. I got a jet ski. Jet ski was fun. Jet ski wasn't that expensive though. They're built like Legos. I don't know. I'm never buying one. Honestly, I just like fun shit. I like doing shit also. Like I'd rather spend money on doing shit. Like if I'd rather rent a house on the beach at like Hilton Head for like a week and just like chill out with the family, maybe invite some friends down there. Like I'd rather do shit like that with my money. Go on a golf trip with the guys. You just cannot win today? Why? What happened, Knob? We're about to break our safety line on the NQ.
That's what I'm waiting for. I have an order at 7:15.
You probably get different car. Yo, you know what's a cool car that they got over there? I love those like older Defenders. I imagine that's pretty big in Scotland. Zero green trades? What? Blown eval from $23 from passing?
Nice.
No, he blew it. Yo, Knob, what you got to do is as soon as you blow the account, you got to go all in on the next one on the same trade. I like older stuff. I want to pick up one of those like 1990 Jeeps that you can just leave the top off when it rains. Like that's cool to me. A GTI? I don't. Is that the Volkswagen or am I thinking about something else? Marie, do you drive like an IROC?
No, I got a Ford Explorer.
I
Maybe
figured.
not my best decision.
No, I never. My brother has one. He likes it.
Really? I like it, but it seems to have a lot of problems.
My brother has. I like the older ones better than the newer ones because the newer ones I feel like they got smaller for some reason.
Really?
I don't know why. That's like the Broncos. I like the OJ style Bronco. Except the top doesn't come off.
Yeah, mine's a 2015, so.
Yeah. My brother's got one. I want to say his isn't. It's probably like 2000. He had it before COVID.
Yeah.
He likes it though.
Yeah, it's got all the stuff.
Yeah.
Drive, sunroof, heated seats.
I was driving around a 2009 Tahoe up until a year ago. I loved it. It was my first. I bought it new,
Oh,
and I just was like, man. I go to Depot. I throw shit in it, like not a worry in the world. But I was approaching 200,000 miles, and I was like, man, I gotta get. And then my kid threw up in it 4 times.
oh no.
Oh, so I pick him up from school because he's not feeling good, and we're driving, and he goes, Dad, what happens if I throw up in the car? And I'm like,
No.
listen, if it happens, it happens, but you know. And I was about to tell him like, let me know, and I'll pull over. We'll open the door and throw up, and all you hear is bleh. And I'm like, did you just throw up? And I turn around, and then he goes bleh, and it's all over him. He threw up like 4 or 5 times. And then like
That way it's the Jeep.
I couldn't even clean it out because it was midday because I got him home and I went back to work and I was like, oh, I'll clean that shit out later on. And then it like froze because it was cold.
No.
And I was like, I had it cleaned and I was just like, man, I'm done with this car. I was like, so many problems. It's got like a little throw up smell in it. So I called Carvana and they picked it up. No questions asked.
So now with your Jeep, can you just hose it out?
I mean, I have leather seats. I could probably just hose it, but there's no hole in the bottom to like let the. I made the mistake last year a few times where one time was bad, So I left the top off and I threw a soft, like just a car cover on. But it rained so hard that the car cover came all the way down and touched my seat. There was so much water in it. So I had to go in the Jeep and like push it up. It was crazy. It was crazy. Like, yo, what up for keeps? But yeah, I like the Jeep. I hate worrying about people like hitting my door, I don't know. If the snow was good. Oh my God. Oh, you know what I didn't play today?
Hmm. The ID? Did you do that?
Yeah, watch this. I'm wondering if this is a 40% pullback. So, just about. We were talking about this, the probability. The probability. Oh, it was 35% pullback. That's what it was. 35% pullback. The IB 50% right at the dot. That guy's got all the stats on that shit. It's crazy. Gold's working itself down. Eventually, it's going to come and put in. I have my gold orders right here, guys. I've just been sitting and waiting. Patiently waiting. I think we hold here and go higher. It's a really good fucking 5-minute candle.
Order filled. Order filled.
I think we could see, what is that? Where did I put my cells at? 900 or no? So I'm in at 58. I'm going to take this off for 20 points and I'll leave the other one. I know this is bad, but on the 5, you kind of got like a head and shoulders. I don't know if that really looks like a head and shoulders, but it's kind of what I was looking for. It's a solid 5-minute candle. I can see it touching this order block up here. You could park all alone in a mile away from the entrance to a store. Oh, I know, man. Always, bro. Always. There's always some asshole that does it, bro.
That was my dad. My dad was like that.
Your dad?
Yeah.
Is he coming by to hang?
Hmm?
You gonna go meet up?
Oh no, I said he's one of those guys who would park a mile away.
Oh. Yeah. I almost just sold to re-enter, but whatever. Oh, gold's coming down. Let me just make sure I got my shit set up.
It is.
See, like, gold does bounce off the 200, but, like, I don't know. I feel like if I take that trade, I am like, man, this can easily go down 14 points. You know? You know how many times it breaks below the tan line and then pops right through and then goes? You know what I realized about Florida, though, is you guys in Florida don't, you guys never parallel park. You guys don't parallel park in Florida. It's all just pulling parking for the most part. You do all the time? Everywhere I've been is just always you pull it on like an angle. But yeah, I just noticed it because I'll go down there and everybody I hang out with, nobody parallel parks. They just they drive around to find a spot they could just pull into. And that's it. Most of the parking, though, even on the street, is all angled forward parking, not parallel. It's just you pull in on an angle. Great stream. See you all in the afternoon. Make sure to smash the subscribe button and like the damn stream. Let's go. Yo. Ego Fiber. My wife does that, but yeah, the truck. I used to park a work van in New York City ages ago. Man, gold has to give this 50 line up. Latin America only has parallel parking and a manual car. Yeah, manual cars are big outside the U.S. I only drove a manual car up until, man, 2000. I had a manual car up until 2018. I had a truck also, but I had a manual. I always had manuals as well. What's the new rules on TPT? Just that they're basically watchdogging you if you're doing some shady shit. Basically, people are paying to pass accounts and a whole bunch of shit like that. And they're watching. They're watching you basically.
If you can pass accounts that well, why do you need people to pay you?
Yeah, I mean, I don't know why people do it. Oh, that's funny. Yeah, I don't know. There's like services will pass your account for you, like all types of shit. I think they use copy traders. My uncle Manuel also had a car. Yeah, I mean, everyone's trying to scam. I mean, that's why we got fucked out of gold.
Yeah.
Because Brian Stink fucking
Not just did it, but blabbed about it.
blabbed. Yo, I'm mastering gold and silver, guys. Why in the back end, the guy's fucking turning and burning freaking 20 accounts a day, you know, not following any rules, just YOLOing accounts. And then he comes on telling you about risk management and his strategy, like straight up fucking lying to you. And if you think he's the only one, and you got to remember, everyone he hangs out with knew about it or was probably doing something similar if you think about it. Because if you're hanging out with a group of people and one guy starts making a lot of money doing something and tells you about it, you know everyone's jumping in on that. I went to break even on this. I like it. I'm just. Numbers game? I didn't do numbers game. Why? You want a numbers game? Straight to the ball sack? Here, we'll do numbers game. I can't say anything. I pulled. Yo. I didn't really trade silver. We'll do numbers game. If you're new here, it's the first person to guess the number. And you can guess as many times as you want. And we start right meow. Oh, let's see. Oh, dude, somebody got it already. Number's 45. Holy shit. I think Libby got it. Number's 45. I think Libby. Yeah, Libby. Here it is. 45. Dude, that was freaking quick. What is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bro, 6th guess. Holy shit. Oh, bro, and then Nighthawk hit it like he was like the 11th person. Damn. Oh, look at this trade. I'm going to move my stop up. I'm going to get stopped, but I do think it eventually goes. This is a good place to move my stop in case it does reject and come all the way back down. Just building up my... Whoa! One day. Yo, Sean has to win it. Sean's been to the finals 4 times. He's due for a win. My funded futures? Yeah, they're good. They used to. I don't know if they are. But if you use the code CoveTrader, it used to give you 20% off rapid plans. But I'll be honest with you, I'm more of a cheap plan guy. Which one's the cheapest ones? I think it's called Flex. Something Flex. It's called... Oh my God. Why can't I do it? One of the Flex accounts is the cheapies. The one that I use there. But I'm not fucking... I'll be honest with you. I don't buy my funded futures that much because what do you call it? They don't have gold. They have 2 micros of gold. So I'd rather, if I'm going to play NQ, I'd rather save the money and go Apex style, to be honest. Oh. What is it? Flex? What the fuck?
Do you ever see my funded futures and think motherfucker fucker?
Your mother? I do. I have. Yeah, I have. It's just, you know. So I'm looking on there to see what they got for oh, see, like they'll give you a fucking code. Oh, that's so crazy that they do that shit. the flex plan is $49, but only if you're brand new. Shut the like. So if I'm a loyal customer, I pay more.
Yeah, a lot more.
Take Profit Traders, yeah, number one out of all of them. I don't even know what that is. The new. Dude, I'm scrolling up. I don't even know what that is. I'm looking. Am I missing something? The new account? I don't even know. What new max account? I don't know what that is, Nesto. I only see Pro, Flex, and Rapid. So it's not the best that they cap you, but how many people get 6 payouts, Scotsman? And then the other thing is they give you 100% of your money. So that's like making $16,000, $17,000 in another account. Yeah, I like the long. I think it goes further, Scotsman. I think we even go higher. I think it goes higher. I refuse to use the funded futures network. Bro, if you ever use their fucking connection, somebody asked me about it yesterday. Their Ninja connection keeps dropping. Yeah. Their Ninja connection keeps dropping, and they don't use Tradeivate. They got Onyx, and Onyx will fucking suck the CPU. This Onyx sucks the CPU usage off your computer like fucking OnlyFans model. Hold on. Oh, man. Do you see where the price... Hold on 1 second, guys. Give me 2 seconds. I got to go outside. Hold on 1 second. But yeah, I wouldn't use... until they put Tradeivate on, I probably wouldn't use it. Just an FYI. I mean, that's just personal experience. The customer service there is amazing, though. But that's it. The customer service was amazing. The guy was awesome that answers all the support tickets. But hold on 1 second. I got to put my garbage out. Hold on. Oh, fuck. Holy shit. I'm back.
Did you make it?
Yeah, because you know what happens? He's got to back down my neighbor's driveway. So I hear him, and then I could,
Got a workout in.
I ran from my house around the side because they backed down my driveway to get my trash. So I ran back and forth like 4 or 5 times. Man. Yo, this Max account, man, they need to fix their shit though. No Tradeify sucks. Oh, they got a daily loss limit. Oh, you can only use 2 minis. Nah, I run all the time, man. It's just I've been sitting down. Normally, I like, if I'm gonna run, play sports, I warm up. Fucking sitting down for 3 hours. I just got up and started sprinting. I can feel like my muscles in my legs. Yeah, they need to. Wait. Yo, after you pass those max accounts, you have to pay a $120 activation fee. You know that, right? So you're basically paying $50 an account, and then you got to pay a $120 activation fee. You are aware, right? Dude, that's expensive as fuck.
Who's that with?
Funded Futures Network max accounts? That's crazy. $50 an account and then 120. I'd rather do the Bulenox and get a $18 account. There's a promotion, no activation fee. Yeah. Probably gonna pull the old pass card out. So what's interesting is I'm looking at Helpful made this cumulative delta thing, and basically the NQ is selling. It's red, but the price is going up.
Order filled. Order filled.
I'm gonna take this fucking short. Let's see what happens here.
Yeah, I'm waiting to get in a short too.
I'm gonna hold this, dude. I think it comes all the way back down. I think it has the ability to come all the way back down. I like the cumulative delta thing, man. I've used it in the past. I mean, you're losing London low, so you're getting under London low. I mean, I just think we basically tag the orb again, or at the minimum, we tag 830 again. What time frame are you on for keeps? Yo, yours got fucking approved? Wait, dude, I'm still waiting on mine to get approved. They're not going to approve me on a Friday. They're going to be like, fuck that guy. We'll hold that money. We'll make interest on that money until at least Monday. Here's what I'm looking at. I'm on a 3 minute. Let's see what happens if I go on the 1. On the 1, it's positive. I'm looking. Yeah, I don't know why.
Order filled.
Dude, that's weird. Helpful. Why is that? Why is it different? Man, I am freaking starving. Why is cumulative delta decreasing on your chart, on your indicator, but increasing on the other one? Yeah, that's weird. Dude, don't they approve like instantly? I thought they approve instantly. I'm going to get some food, guys. I'm basically just waiting for gold. Gold's going to come down. I got my order right down here. I'm waiting. That's crazy. Nothing is instant when there's cash flow issues. All right, I'll be back at 2 p.m., guys. I'm out. I got to go eat. Peace.